Kahan saki ki kari upay, Krishnera se shabdagun, harile amarakan, ebe na paya Trishnaya mari jaya. O Saki, all these statements are being spoken to Lalita Saki. Who is Lalita Saki in this Leela? Swarup Damodar. Where is this being spoken? In the Gambhira. The Zantya Leela Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is called the bodily, this is a Vikar, Prem Vikar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Prem Vikara Dhyaya. This says bodily transformations of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Korma Chaitanya is in this chapter. So he's speaking, O Saki, O Lalita Saki, O Damodar Sarup. Listen. Kaha Saki. Kaha Saki, speak something. Kaha Saki, Kaha, speak something. Ki kari upay. What can I do? What means? What? My ears have been plundered by the sound. Harile amara kane. My ears have been stolen. Shabda gune. Harile amara kane. I'm completely attracted by the sound of Krishna's voice and his flute and his jingling ornaments. Now, ebe napai, I'm not receiving that sound. Ebe napai Trishnaya marijai. And therefore, I'm dying of thirst. I'm thirsty to hear the sound of Krishna's flute, and thirsty to hear the voice of Krishna, and thirsty to hear the ornaments jingling and tinkling on Krishna's body. And Krishna reciprocates with the thirsty devotees when they come to the level of prema, and the different ratis and sthai ratis. They're all thirsty. We have Trishna for Krishna. The Premi Bhaktas have Trishna for Krishna. Great thirst for Krishna. Madhurya Kadambari and the Ashtama Varsha. I think it's called Ashtama Varsha, or Varshini, I forget how it's called. Ashtama Varshini means the 8th shower, which is describing the symptoms and characteristics and experiences of one at the level of prema. It's describing how Krishna interacts with his different devotees. Ebe napai Trishnaya marijai. Now Radharani goes back to remembering the sound of Krishna's ornaments. She just keeps going back and forth. If you can understand between the lines what kind of emotions and what kind of feelings are rising and rippling through Radharani's mind and heart. She says, oh, his voice is like this. Then she says something else. Oh, what can I do? I'm dying of thirst. Oh, and his voice is like this. Oh, what can I do? I'm dying. But his voice is like this. It's very deep and heart-stirring. Oh, Saki, what can I do? My ears are plundered by the qualities of Krishna's sound. Qualities of Krishna, the Krishna sound. Transcendental sound vibration. Prabhupada's Hare Krishna mantra address, he said, this sound of the Hare Krishna mantra is not part of the material energy or something. He said it is directly coming from the transcendental atmosphere. Anyone is called the Hare Krishna mantra address, one of his very first recordings. He said this sound goes beyond the ears and mind, intelligence. Very nice. I can't remember just now. It's been a long time. Very beautiful description of the Hare Krishna mantra, the transcendental source and the transcendental effect of the mantra. So now Radharani slips. She was just crying out. She came to external consciousness, Bahir Chit. She came to external consciousness. Because while she's speaking this verses, Krishna's voice rumbles like thunder and puts the cuckoos to shame. And his ornaments are... She was feeling, and the Madan Mohan was Sprihan, Kana Sprihan, through the agency of her ears, hearing herself glorifying Krishna's voice and ornaments and flute. Then Madan Mohan appeared in her heart, manifested Spurti. Now she goes on to glorify him more, And then she's in separate. She comes out. She loses that darshan, that lila dristi. It's called lila pravesh. And she comes out. Oh, where's Madan Mohan? Where's Madan Gopal? Oh, Saki. And just see. Oh, comes out. Oh, where was I? It's like Lord Chaitanya. They wake Lord Chaitanya up after he's rolling or floating in the ocean. Says, "Oh, why have you brought me here?" He looks up, he's lying on the sand, sees Sri Damodar and Rai Ramananda. What are you speaking about? Why are you chanting in my ear? What are you saying? I was in the Yamuna, in the middle of the Jalkeli Leela. So this is the Antar Chitta and Bahira Chitta and Antar Bhaya Chitta, Ardabhaya Chitta, one half consciousness, internal transcendental consciousness. So here we see that Radharani is going that way. She's coming to external consciousness, just like our Das Goswami Pad, Vila Kusamanjali. Sometimes he's deep into the Leela. Oh, when will I brush your hair with a beautiful comb? And I'm moving your hair through, holding your hair and moving it through the comb. And suddenly I lose that vision. I cry out, oh, when will I see this again? So this is external consciousness, internal consciousness. Entering in the Leela and the Siddha Swarup as a Mandri Sevite of Radharani, and having a grand sporty or deep, strong vision, experience of the Leela and doing your Nitya Seva or other Sevas there, then losing that vision, and then coming to external consciousness and lamenting, oh, what did I see? What did I feel? What did I experience? How sweet, how attractive. And then all of a sudden Radharani feeling compassion for her dear devotee, Tulsi Mandri, Das Goswami. Oh, okay, don't cry. Don't be in anxiety. Here's another Leela. Oh, Radharani, when will I accompany you on the Avisar and I'll run behind you? So this is going on here also with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And this section of Antya Leela chapter 17, these verses 39 through 50. Oh, Saki, what can I do? My ears are, and I can't hear the sound, and I'm almost dead for want of it. So this is the lamenting and separation. So then, first is lamenting and separation, and then they go Radharani's. Then again she gets vision, just like Das Goswami gets vision. Sees the Leela. So again Radharani sees Madan Mohan. Now he came back. He heard my lamentation, because she just appealed to the Saki, please help me. And then Radharani said, Nupura kinkini dwani hamsa sarasajini. Nupura kinkini dwani hamsa sarasajini. Kankana dwani chatake lajai. Heva bara jay shuni. Vyapi rahe tarakane. Anya shabda se kane najai. The tink, oh, listen, Saki. Oh, listen. Listen, Rai Ramananda, listen. Swarup Damodar, Olita Vishaka. The tinkling of so many ways she's glorifying Krishna's voice like this and like that, and his ankle bells and ornaments like this and like that, and his flute like this and like that. Total absorption, total attachment, total madness of prema, Mahavav. This is our Swamini Radha. This is our Ishwari. She is our everything. The tinkling of Krishna's ankle bells surpasses the Hansa, the songs of even the swan and the crane. Hamsa Sarasa Jini conquers. Nupura Kinkini Dwani, Hamsa Sarasa Jini. The Nupura Kinkini means the waist bells. Krishna wears waist bells too. And Nupura means ankle bells. Ting, 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 ting. And the sound of his bangles puts the singing of the Chataka bird to shame.